Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, you will see how to build your Python application as an exe file, Windows executable file. So let's begin. So in the previous video, I showed how to create a very simple calculator app by doing a very simple code. So in this code, say for example, this calculator works as it is, but if we want to create an exe file out of it, which we can distribute for the Windows user, how to do it? So for that, the command is very simple. We'll use something called pyinstaller. So but if this py install is not installed on your machine, then you may have to first install it. So for that, what you can do is you can just use pip command, python installer, and then install py installer. So once you run this, the installer will be done, and then you can directly use the py. So then we can run this py installer. So first I will remove this and control v, and then followed by the file name. So our file name is SimpleCalculator.py, and just press enter and it will create all the exe files. So if I go to the folder, so it will create these files in the folder. There will be a build directory and there will be a distribution directory. So just go there and it will give you the exe file which you can distribute. So you know it will work as an independent application for Windows user, and you don't have to run it through a IDE or something like that. So that's all I wanted to show you. That is pretty much straightforward to create a exe out of your application, Python application. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.